Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then, let's head over to Linux VM to start. The first is to choose the bug or module. What we are going to do in this video, yes, this one, session management administrative portals, and we can click hack button and we can set the level to low. So the page is locked and we are given a hint, check the URL, and you can check the URL, and there is one parameter admin, and right now its value is 0. So this is a very clear hint. So how about this? Means right now the current user is not admin. How about we change the value from 0 to 1 to see what will happen? Yes, we have already unlocked the page using an URL manipulation. So the technique is called URL manipulation. Very easy, right? So now let's escalate the level to medium. Set. So here the page we get the same error, or the message, not error. This page is locked, and this time we didn't notice any parameter in the URL. However, we are given another hint below this message. Check the cookies. Even without such a hint, we need to find it ourselves. Okay, we can open developer 2 of the browser and navigate to storage section. Here, similarly, you can find one key value pair, admin, and its value is 0 at this moment. So without hesitation, we can try to manipulate the value from 0 to 1 and refresh this page. You see, you unlocked this page using a cookie manipulation. Very simple. Okay, so now let me close up the developer 2 and escalate the level to high. However, without doing anything else, we have already unlocked the page with a little help from the DBA. I don't know why. Anyhow, we have already completed this bug or this module. Okay, this is session. This is the first bug or vulnerability of session management. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.